If you need to sign into your Gmail account or recover your Google account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you just forgot your password or you're completely locked out, I'll show you exactly what to do so you can get back into your account quickly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin. This is the official Google sign-in page, so make sure you type it correctly and avoid any fake websites. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address in the field provided, then click Next. On the next screen, type in your password carefully and click Next again. If the details are correct, you should be signed into your Gmail account right away. But if you forgot your password or you cannot sign in, don't worry, there is still a recovery process you can use. To begin account recovery, open a new tab and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. Again, make sure you are on the official Google recovery page, enter your Gmail address and click Next. When Google asks for your password, click Try Another Way. This is where Google will give you different recovery options depending on what you have set up on your account. One of the most common options is a verification code sent to your phone. If that appears, choose it and follow the instructions to receive the code. You may also be able to use your recovery email address where Google sends a confirmation link or code. Another option is a Google prompt on a device where you are already signed in. If you see that, simply approve the prompt on your phone or tablet. Complete whichever recovery method Google offers until your identity is verified. Once verification is successful, Google will let you create a new password. Enter a strong new password, then confirm the new password in the next field. After that, click Save to finish the recovery process. At this point, your Google account should be restored and you can sign in normally with your new password. If you ever get locked out again, remember to keep your recovery phone number and recovery email updated, but the process is much easier next time. And that's how to sign into your Gmail account and recover your Google account when you forget your password or can't access your login. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.